perfect finger food that you will never have to eat out again. Especially, it's so expensive to eat out these days. Hi, I'm Soysouda. Today is not very nice day for outdoor, cold and rainy, but it's good day for making the perfect finger food that will keep your family coming back for more. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make the best deep fried chicken nibbles with crispies and crunchy outside. Anything more delicious than a juicy, crusty pieces of finger licking good. If you have never ever wanted to make your own deep fried chicken, now it's time. Okay, for recipe you will need 2 bowls and leave 1 bowl by the side. And this bowl, I'm going to mix all ingredients and flours into this bowl. Okay, for recipe, you'll need 2 cups of soft raising flour, 1 cup potato starch, deep fry oil, 1 cup of water, 2 eggs, Italian mixed herbs, garlic powder, black pepper, chicken salt, turmeric, paprika and salt, a kilo of chicken nibbles. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of soft raising flour and 1 cup of cornstarch into a bowl. Next, I'm going to mix all these flour and seasonings together. Now, in another bowl, you need to transfer half of this mixture into this bowl. Keep this half the flour mixture by the side for coating later. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs into this bowl. Next, I'm going to add a cup of water. Okay, next I'm going to add deep fried oil into a wok. Now put the heat on medium. Now I'm going to transfer the chicken into the flour mixture before I deep fry them. Make sure every piece of chicken coated in the flour mixture before you add to the deep fried oil. Okay, I'm going to check deep fried oil now. As you can see, it's bubble. Oil is ready. the best deep fried chicken nibbles. I'm going to try it now. Wow, the flavor from the garlic, cornstarch, soft rising flour, all the mixed herbs, great combination, perfect, so good. Check out the description below for more recipe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.